Well, I wanted to do more of these kinds of videos of me answering Reddit posts, essentially give people some advice, and do more content like this. But I think it's really good. One, it helps me figure out what I actually think. Two, if you guys comment, it will help me understand what most people would think, and I can learn from those as well. And I can read these comments as well. But anywho, let's start reading this post. So here we have a post by Justin R8. Here it is. So it says, I, 23 male, looked through her 22F phone and discovered things that are going to end this, but I don't know how to go about it. So the first, roast me for going through her phone if you want. I don't care, maybe it's deserved. Anyway, this girl and I have been falling more and more for each other over the past few months, spending more time together than apart for, for some weeks. She's made it clear recently she wants to make things official. I have trust issues. Today, she had some celebration. She got way too drunk and passed out in my bed before I did. I know her phone password. I picked that up, that thing up, hoping to look through it and leave the experience thinking, damn, I can really trust her. I'm going to make her my girlfriend. Oh, so you guys aren't even dating yet. Okay. Well, the opposite happened. Maybe 2 months ago, we agreed to exclusively, and I found she fucked some guy at a college party the very next day. Then came over to my house and fucked me. No shower in between. This was a joke to her and friends. Anyway, I am fully prepared to wake her hungover ass up tomorrow and tell her to never contact me again. But in the end, I did do a highly looked down up thing to obtain this information. I went through her phone. So, what do you do? She fully expects a relationship soon, and up until about an hour ago, so did I. And so does everybody else in our social group, as we've pretty much been inseparable and might as well be dating without the title. Do I admit do I admit to going through her phone? Can't exactly just drop her without an explanation when things were seemingly going very well. I guess I can, but I don't really want to. Thanks for my input. Edit. Side note: she asked for exclusivity. I was really into her and agreed. She wanted me text two other girls I was talking at the time that I had found some that I had found someone I was really into and was going to stop talking to them. Then she fucked some random guy the next day. So yeah, the relationship is dead to me. Um, I don't know what to say really. Just no, bro. If this person wants exclusivity and they're not going to respect it, I'm sorry. Oh, whoa, whoa, what the fuck is this? Let me just see this. So don't bother telling her you went through her phone. Just tell her you found out she cheated the day after going exclusive and that she bragged about it to her friends. Leave her wondering how you found out. She might suspect out one of her friends right. Oh, okay, that's actually quite smart. It's actually quite interesting. Okay. I'd go even further when you break up and tell her that thankfully her friends are more loyal to you than she was. Spread the hate around. Then after she denies, ooh, this is just whoa, oh the turntables. After she denies it, ask to look through her phone. Okay, okay, good, good. Do it. You know what? Yeah, it's actually very good. Plot thickened words for sure. Um, let's not go for hot. Let's go for new. So 26